Yes, most importantly, we also need to look at the uses of alkanes because so far we have seen that the hydrocarbons are classified into three groups. We have alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. We say alkanes have single bonds between at least two carbon atoms or between the carbon atoms. Then alkenes they have double bond between at least two carbon atoms. Then for alkynes they have at least triple bonds between what? Between the two carbon atoms. And for that reason, they have also gone further and said these alkanes also, the simple form of alkanes like methane and ethane can be prepared in laboratory, and we have seen their physical and chemical properties. But also we need to look at the general uses of what of alkanes. So here we are saying they use as fuels, for example, the methane gas which you can obtain from biogas, we use as fuel. Then also butane used in the lab. Yeah, there are some gases we use in the lab. We use butane. Then at the same time, we look at the cracking. Cracking produces hydrogen gas. We have seen that in the previous lesson when we wrote that equation. So, and the hydrogen gas, so that means cracking alone become a source for us to get hydrogen gas. And if we have much of hydrogen gas, we use it in manufacture of what? Of ammonia gas. So ammonia gas is simply this ammonia gas, you will see how it is produced from excess hydrogen gas, especially when you go to nitrogen and its compounds in inorganic chemistry. Then also alkanes are used in making of carbon bonds, and therefore these carbon bonds are also a component of printer inks. You go to the computer center, you want to print your work, that black things you're seeing is also a form of alkanes. Then used in making ethanols, etc. So this chemistry is very, very, very also, and here we call it, the process alone is what we call the synthesis. This is not in this syllabus, but at the same time we are going to see how we can produce ethanol from what? From alkanes. And a good example here we are going to use ethane. And we say ethane is simply written like this, CH3, CH3. So if I add hydrogen chloride gas, the moment I add this, I'm going to form what we call CH3, CH2, CH3. So the moment I have this, I'll be in position to see that I form what we call the chloromethane. After forming chloromethane, you can add another substance here, sodium hydroxide. This is aqueous. Then we heat this sodium hydroxide. After heating it, we shall be in position to get alcohols. I'm going to teach you ahead how alcohols look like. So we'll be in position to get something like that. And this is what we call ethanols. Because of this OH group. We are going to talk about OH group, but for now, just know alkanes, you can also get ethanol from them. Not this alcohol we take, but this alcohol you get in the laboratory. For that reason, therefore, see you in the next topic.